Join me as I dive into the world of online e-learning courses and challenge myself to see if they can actually help me achieve financial freedom in retirement. Financial freedom in retirement is the ultimate goal for many of us, right? And it's no surprise that online courses have become increasingly popular as a means to achieve it. But can they really deliver on their promises? One of the biggest challenges retirees face is making ends meet. Traditional pension plans often fall short, and inflation can erode the purchasing power of our hard-earned savings. In addition to the rise of the economy and the decline of traditional employment, it's clear that retirees need to think outside the box to secure their financial future. Many retirees are forced to rely on their children or other family members for financial support, which can be a stressful and uncomfortable experience for everyone involved. And let's not forget the emotional toll of feeling like we're no longer in control of our own finances. It's a daunting prospect, to say the least. But what if I told you there was another way? What if you could break free from the constraints of traditional employment and create a passive income stream that would allow you to live the retirement you've always dreamed of? There are countless online courses out there that promise to teach you the skills you need to achieve financial freedom. From investing in the stock market to starting your own online business, the options are endless. But which ones are worth your time and money? Let's take a closer look at some of the most popular online courses tailored specifically for retirees. We've got courses on real estate investing, dividend investing, and even cryptocurrency trading. And then there are courses that focus on skill development, like photography, writing, or graphic design. One course that caught my eye is a program that teaches how to create and sell online courses of their own. It's a bold claim, but the idea of being able to monetize your own expertise and experience is incredibly appealing. And with the rise of online learning, it's clear that there's a huge demand for high-quality educational content. But what about the success stories? Are there people out there who have actually achieved financial freedom through online courses? The answer is a resounding yes. I want to share with you the story of Wendy, a recent retiree who used an online course to learn how to start her own online business. Wendy was able to turn her passion into a profitable venture, earning a steady income that has allowed her to live the life she's always wanted and retire early. And the best part? She was able to do it all from the comfort of her own home, on her own schedule. It's an incredible testament to the power of online learning and the potential it holds for retirees. So what's the takeaway? Can online courses really bring you financial freedom in retirement? The answer is a resounding yes. With the right mindset, the right training, and a willingness to learn, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Have you had any experiences with online courses that you'd like to share? Check out my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.